The 3D magnetic grid allows us to insert objects directly in the 3D environment using these magnetic snap points called mags, or the automatic recognition functionalities. To define a structure with the magnetic grids, we first need to select the magnetic grid object from the drawing menu and access the editor. To compose our magnetic grid structure, we have different grid types at our disposal. In fact, we have the standard, pyramidal, conical and trellis types. Let's select the standard grid type, and with a first click on the model layout, we will notice that the grid type is now attached to the cursor, and with a second click it is fixed into place. By selecting a single part of the grid, we can easily modify the grid type geometry. In fact, at each of the ends of the selected segment, we have the arrow grips that, if clicked, activate a local menu. If we slide the grip point up or down or across, we can change the segment length, or we can directly type in a value from the keyboard. In the very same way, we can proceed to modifying the segment height by simply changing the length again. Activating the central grip, a different menu is activated where its options allow us to divide the selected segment into further segments. The number of segments can then be defined by sliding the mouse cursor along the axis, setting a certain number of divisions, or by directly typing in the value from the keyboard. Should we need to merge the divided segments up again, simply select the Merge All command. Selecting the triangular grip menu, we can now choose to modify the length of each single part, also modifying the length of the entire grid, or even maintain the entire grid length constant and only modify the single segment length. We can then add another module, just as the one previously inserted, and then modify the height. We can add new grid types and link them up with each other using the snap points, then maybe modify their geometry using the previously seen functionalities. Once we have finished the modeling process, simply click on Finish. From the 3D view, using the magnetic snap points, we can quickly insert our building envelope entities, or even use the recognition features to insert our pillars and beams automatically.